Hi there, welcome to Tutorials with Tori. Today we're going to be working on a basic beanie using Bloom Chunky yarn. You can also sub a different bulky weight yarn that you have on hand, like Everyday Bulky from Premier Yarns. What we're going to need today, of course, yarn, a tape measure, stitch marker, tapestry needle, a circular needle. This is a 16-inch circular needle, and double pointed needles, or if you prefer, you can also use a longer cord for your circular needles and do magic loop. This is for when we're getting to a smaller circumference shaping the crown of our beanie. Okay, now we're ready to cast on for our beanie. And what I like to do, especially if you're close to a color change in the yarn, is go start your cast on right where the color changes. So we'll do that knot here, and then we're starting with our 16-inch circular needles, and this is a size 10.5 for this pattern. And then we're just going to go ahead and cast on 60 stitches. And you're just going to continue in that manner using long tail cast on to cast on a total of 60 stitches. I'll be right back. All right, so I have 60 stitches cast on and we are ready to join for working in the round. So first we want to make sure that our stitches are not twisted. You can do this. I like to get that cast on edge, make sure everything's in there. What you're looking for in a twist, it would end up looking like this, where it's kind of spiraling around. So you want to make sure that everything is all pointing in the same direction. You can do this by aligning your cast on to the inside of the needles. And we're gonna get our yarn arranged and get ready for working. And next, so we are joining in the round. We're not twisted. We're gonna place that marker and we're gonna begin. And the brim on the basic beanie uses a garter rib. So that means one round on all odd rounds, we're going to be knitting 2, then purling 2, and repeat that all the way around. And then on the next round, we'll knit all the way around. So here we go. Start with knit 2, bring forward, and then purl 2. I'll do that one more time. So we're gonna knit 2, and then purl 2. I've just completed round 1. Let's get ready to work round 2. So we're back at the marker, we'll slip that, and round 2, we're gonna knit all of the stitches. So we'll even be knitting those purl stitches from the last round. So we'll continue knitting all the way around until we're back at the marker. I'm just completing round 10 of the brim for our beanie. You can see here, it looks great in our garter rib pattern that we did alternating rows of knit 2, purl 2, and knit. So you get this garter section and this stockinette section. Join me next time when we move on and work the body of our beanie pattern.